Hi, this is Regina with 50 Flowers. Today I'm going to show you how to work with orchids. These are Dendrobium orchids, and we're going to wire them to make boutonnieres, corsages, or bouquets. This should be pretty easy, so let's jump right into it. So the materials that you're going to need today are floral tape, floral wire, and clippers, and some orchids. So you're going to want to cut your wire according to what you're going to design, whether it's a bouquet or a boutonniere. Boutonniere would be a smaller piece of wire, bouquet would be a little bit longer. Dendrobiums have a very small stem, so what we're going to do is create a longer stem with wire and tape. The first thing you're going to want to do is wire your stem. Stems on these orchids are very delicate and short, so we're creating a longer stem by poking the wire at the base of the orchid stem. And bend that wire down and wind it around the stem that's on the orchid and create a new stem. Twist it a little bit. Take your floral tape, which has a little bit of stretch to it, and pull and stretch and wind and pull and stretch and wind. And you're going to want to practice this a few times to get it just right. Creating a stem on the dendrobiums is really going to help you use this flower in corsages, boutonnieres, and bouquets for your DIY wedding. I hope this helps. For more tips on your DIY wedding, go to 50flowers.com, and we have customer service waiting to help you. Thanks for watching.